I'm at the HomeComputerMuseum in Helmond, visiting once again, this time to get some machines from Bart from Akker for repair, and so they're on this back here. So toast rack and some 48Ks, but I still love to walk here. The Sinclair corner, so there's a QL boxed and some other stuff. Toast rack as well there, running 1-bit demo, music demo. So it's still running after I gave it to the museum over a year ago already. So I like it a lot. But let's walk around. Why not? Because we're in here now, so let's show some other stuff. In my back here, lots of cool retro machines here. There's some new stuff that I haven't seen before. Old IBMs, 16-bit machines, Commodore 64, with some signatures from Jeroen and others. They were here, I think, a week ago or something. Saw some photos, and there was a SEM Coupé, but I think they sold the SEM Coupé already, I think. So let's see what else is here. Some Atari's, Commodore 64s, Amigas, with keyboards and all. Very cool stuff. Oh, there's a PC200 working with a CGA display, I think, 4-color. Very cool. Some more old stuff here, old 8-bitters, XTs. Very cool. Hi. So if you never visited this place and you live in the neighborhood or something, or you're visiting Helmond or Eindhoven or somewhere else in the neighborhood, and drop the museum a visit. It's only €80 or something for entrance. It's not too expensive. Rack full of Commodores here, all kinds of versions, and other machines. Old laptops with built-in floppy drives, full size. Oh, it's at 88. Wow, cool. I don't have one myself even, so that's cool. Some computer stuff. This doesn't work. So it has a scratch. Very cool. Alright. And the more modern stuff is at the end of the line, walking line. Ooh, a scratcher. That Dutch presenter. I don't like her, but she looks good. Let's see why my daughter is gone. I think she's in the gaming area here. At all the console stuff. Lots of old machines here to play. And of course I paid entrance so she can play, because when I go here it's not only to go and go away again, or all the handhelds. Cool stuff. It's a bit light outside, so I don't think you can see the stuff at the... Oh, you can see it, okay. Stuff in the windows. It's cool to see all the CRTs flickering, because they're not, and actually they're not, but... Okay, it's a lot of noise here because my daughter's playing a race game, so... Sorry for that. Anyway, enough of this. So, see you in the next video, guys. Bye!